Hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use these AI smart glasses. I remember in my previous video where I unboxed the AI smart glass. Yeah, I did the unboxing video of this AI smart glass and I told you the things that you can do with this AI smart glass. However, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to set it up, how to use it to record videos, how to use it to take photos, how to use it to listen to music, and how you can also use it to answer calls, including the AI function. Yeah, including the AI function. Those are the things I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if this is what you want to know, I want you to hit the like button and stay focused to the end of the video so that you can understand every bit of it. So if you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing you should do when you get this AI smart glass is to unbox it, and when you unbox it, you get this smart glass and charge it first. Okay, check the battery, make sure it is 100%. And you may be wondering, how do you charge this smart glass? It's very simple. Now I'm going to bring out the charger. So this is the cord. It comes with a cord, a magnetic cord like this, and this magnetic cord, you look for this side. You look for this side. Yeah, you look by the side, you see these two dots here, and this is how the charger looks. It's magnetic. You just watch how I placed it. Bam, it's magneted here. As you can see, it's magneted. Then you can plug it to electric source, or you can use a power bank to charge it. Okay, once you plug it, you see a red light blinking here. That red light shows that it is charging, and when it is fully charged, it's going to show you a blue light. Blue light, please remember, it's going to show you a blue light. So now that you have charged it, how do you use this thing to record video and even import the video to your album and to your gallery? So the next thing you should do is you should go to your Play Store and download an app called Cyan Glasses. That app serves as an intermediate between this glass and your phone and your mobile phone. It's called Cyan Glasses. And then this Cyan Glasses, let me put the glass on so that you see what I mean. Let me show you some things. So the Cyan Glasses is an app on Play Store, and to get the app, you need to get this what's it called? There is this manual. Oh, I don't know where I placed that manual. So right now I could not find the leaflet, but I'll put it on the screen. Or once you unbox your AI smart glass, this is how it looks. When you're unboxing it, you're going to see a leaflet here. That leaflet explains how to use it. In case you did not understand, this video is going to guide you. So get the leaflet, open it, you'll see a QR code. A QR code, and make sure you have a scanner on your phone, or you go to Google Play Store and download a scanner. Once you download that scanner, then place it, place your phone on top of the QR code and then scan it. It's going to take you to this page, and once it brings you to this page, you click on the link and it's going to take you to the main website where you will see iOS or Android. And then depending on which phone you are using, for me I'm using an Android, so I'll click on the Android button. It's going to take me to Google Play Store back. Okay, the reason why we're using this is so that you can be able to download the correct app, so you don't go and download another app. So once you get to that Google Play Store, you click on install. So it will take time as it installs. When it's installing, after installation, it's going to bring out a prompt for you to register. Okay, it's going to bring out a prompt for you to register. So once you have fully registered, you're going to see yourself on this page. Okay, now you're going to see yourself on this page. So this, now you have downloaded this Cyan Glasses app that stands as an intermediate between your mobile phone and this glass. So what next should you do? Now to connect it, you need to on this glass here, in this red button here. There's this red button at the top here. Once you click on this red button, hold it for like 2 seconds, you will hear a sound in your ear that means no. And once it does, you bring it, you will see blue light blinking here. This blue light blinking here, showing you that, man, it is on. Okay, it is on. Then you go to your phone, go to your Bluetooth, on your Bluetooth, and when you on your Bluetooth, you are going to see this AIMB-G1 plus other numbers. Okay, you connect it. When you connect it, it will show you that yes, your glasses have been connected for calls and to listen to music. Okay, now you've connected this here, and then the next thing you should do is you follow the prompt. You follow the prompt on the app. When you follow the prompt on the app, it's gonna when you follow the prompt on the app, it's gonna bring out a button. It's gonna bring you an option for you to also connect from the app. You connect from the app. First of all, you connect from the Bluetooth, and secondly, you should connect from the app. So once you've done that, you have fully connected your phone, your glass, and the app. Everything will start working seamlessly. Okay, now that everything has started working seamlessly, how can you record videos? How can you take pictures? Like I told you earlier, to take pictures, you just tap here once. Now that I tap it once, it has taken picture. The reason why you cannot see a flashlight, there is a flashlight that's supposed to come here. Well, if you see, I blocked it. Yeah, I blocked the flashlight, so the flashlight will not come out here, but it will still snap. It will bring out a good pictures. Now, if you look at the screen, you see a nice pictures I took with this and videos on the screen. All these videos you're seeing on the screen are videos I recorded with this. I record them while I'm on the way, while I'm walking on the way. I put them on when I'm in a bus. You know, I put them on when I'm walking on the way, when I'm in the bus, and nobody will even record it. So that's the beauty part of this. The beauty part is that your hands are free. You just record, you know, by putting on glass, by just, you know, record it. So when you want to record, all you need to do is to tap on this twice. This red button, 1, 2. As you can see, it started recording. You hear a sound that says, turn on in your ear. It is recording. And if you want to stop, you stop. Okay.
So once you've installed the app and registered, you'll see something like this. This is the interface of the app. So you can see AIMB-G1, that's the device name, and you can see it says connected, and this is the battery percentage. So now let's look at the quick function. Remember, on the glasses you can take pictures from the glass. You can also record video and record your voices on that buttons I showed you on the glass. However, you can still do it from here by just tapping on this take photo. It's going to snap the photo. As long as you're putting on the glass, you can just press it from here and say take photo, record video, and then recording. Okay, and then you can also, if you want to go to settings, you want to make some settings, you can click on this place and it's going to take you here. You say wearing detection. When you take off your glasses, the function will be suspended. Here means whenever you take off your glasses, the function will not work anymore. Then you check here, record setting, the video duration 3 minutes. This is my video duration. I set it to be 3 minutes. I can also decide to record a video of 9 minutes, 12 minutes, but here it says hits may occur during recording, when it's more than 3 minutes. Okay, so this is you can decide to say, okay, I want to record video of 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and so. And the recording voice, if you want to record your voice, you can record for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes. So let's go back. Let's go to the AI. So now, how do you use this AI? These are the ones I have done. How did I do it? You can just put on your glass and face it, direct your glass somewhere and say, okay, this glass should identify what is in front of you by just saying, hey glasses. Then you give the instruction. But first of all, you have to call the glass name. Let the glass know that you are giving him instruction to do something for you. You can decide to, maybe you are in a farm, or you are in a farm, okay, and you want to identify a particular leaf, and you'll be like, put the glass and say, hey glasses, what's the name of the leaf in front of me? It's going to snap the leaf. Just give it time. It will snap the leaf and then start explaining what the leaf is all about. It's going to explain in written form, and it's going to be saying it directly to your ear. Okay, you can ask question by hey glasses, who is the president of Brazil? Hey glasses, how many this, you can ask different questions. So this is the AI feature here, and then you come to the third task bar, which is this album. So this is where all the recordings that you've done, this is where you find them, especially this one that says import. I have one media resources. These ones here are the ones I have recorded. This one that says today, so you can see I've recorded and imported them. So if you want to import, this one says one media resources can be imported. I have one media resources that need to be imported into the device. So all I need to do is just click this import and it's going to bring it in. So as simple as that. That's how to use these AI glasses. And then let's go to setting. Okay, if you want the image to go on with a watermark, okay, auto save. When the picture is synchronized at the app, it will be automatically saved to the mobile phone. Okay, let me put it.
So after recording your video, it's now time for you to import it into your album. And as you can see, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 media resources that have been imported already. And right now we have one media resources that can be imported into the phone. So how do we import it? I should just click on this import here. It will direct me here and say I should on my Wi-Fi. And after turning my Wi-Fi on, I'll come back here and click on import. So it says importing and connecting to device Wi-Fi. So let's wait and see. So as you can see, it says media resources. Media resources can be imported into the phone, and it shows the progress of the importation of the videos. As you can see on the screen. So as you can see on the screen, the importation of the video has fully been completed. So if you want to check, if you want to watch the video, you can just tap on it here, and the video is playing. As you can see, the video is playing. So right now, how do I save it to my device, to my phone? Because right now it's still on the app, and I need to bring it into my phone. Okay, so what I do most time is I'll click on share. So let me pause. Yeah, click on share button. So you see so many apps here that allows you. It says Bluetooth. You can share it via Bluetooth with someone. You can share it via email with someone. But right now I want to bring it into my phone. So that this app, this InShot video editor, that's what I use to bring it into my phone. So as soon as I click this InShot, and I'll wait for it to load fully. So the video is now on my InShot. Okay, and I want to remove this watermark. I click on free remove. I'll watch ad from InShot. I remove the watermark. So after removing the watermark, I'll just come here and click on export video. So this video will convert and then export to my gallery. Now I'll find the video on my gallery. So that is exactly how to record, import to your app, and export it again to your gallery. So let's wait and see the completion. So as you can see, the exportation of this video has been completed. I click on home. So if I want to access the video of my gallery, I'll just go here and look for my gallery. This is my gallery here, and then so this is the video of my InShot album. So that's the video. The video is now on my gallery. Okay, so basically this is how to record, import, and export to your gallery. So now that you've known how to use these AI smart glasses, how to connect it to your phone, how to take pictures, how to take photos, you can also use this to answer calls. Like I told you earlier, if like this that is on, now that is on and is connected, if a call comes to your phone, you can just tap on this red button. You can just hold it, and just tap on it, and you'll be hearing whatever your call. You'll be answering your call. Hello, where are you? How are you doing? Where are you from? All of that. You will be listening. You'll be hearing your call, and the person will be hearing you very well. So you can do all of that with this. So I would like you to let me know in the comment section. Was this video helpful? If so, give it a like and drop your opinion in the comment section. In case you want to buy these AI smart glasses, we have them available in stock. Just call the number on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message and place your order. We'll deliver to all the states in Nigeria. It doesn't matter where you are. Just make your payment and we will deliver. Our store is located at Alaba International Market, Lagos, Nigeria, Abuja Plaza. Till I hear from you. God bless you.